Oh, take it back.
Okay. Kitchen. Alright. I try to avoid mirrors. Those are my nemesis.
Oh, I should have been ready.
Oh, that's okay. Alright. Oops.
This is a nice bathroom if you want to get a better shot of that.
I'll come back with that camera too to take better pictures. But then, yeah, follow me. That'd be good. Boy, I bet you pack them in on the sunny days.
Yeah, it's great. The terrace is wonderful.
So, what seems to be stronger, the lunchtime or dinner time or dinner?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that terrace is awesome. I try not to get people too seasick there. All right.
Do you want them out of the kitchen?